How to get Image ID on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll guide you on how to get or copy an image or decal ID on Roblox. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So when working on a project, you often need a decal or image ID to add it effectively. So to get started, you can go to the top of the Roblox website, that is roblox.com, and click on the Create to access the Creator Hub. But before that, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now here you can find the IDs for images and decals that you have uploaded, as well as those uploaded by others as well. And if you're looking for someone else decal, click on the store at the top and then select decals to search for what you need. When you find a decal, check the URL. The ID will be located between asset and the next. You can highlight the ID, right-click on it, and select copy to save it. Now if you want to upload a new decal or access one you have already uploaded, click on the creations in the left menu, then select development items, and you can choose between images or decals. To upload a new decal, click on the decal and select the image or item you want to work with. Once you've selected it, click on the three dots in the left menu and choose copy asset ID. Now you have the ID and which you can paste wherever you need it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.